This is the Thomas International General Intelligence Assessment GIA overview. The Thomas Aptitude Assessment, also known as the General Intelligence Assessment or GIA, was developed over 15 years by Dr Peter Dann in the Human Assessment Laboratory at the University of Plymouth. Thomas integrated the assessment into its product suite in 2006. The GIA looks at an individual's speed of processing information and ability to learn and develop new skills. The GIA measures an individual's aptitude in 5 key areas: reasoning, perceptual speed, number speed and accuracy, word meaning, and spatial visualization. Gain a detailed understanding of a person's mental capacity and how quickly they can grasp a new role or regime. The overall percentile is an estimate of a candidate's general intelligence, while focusing on the response to training, mental processing speed, concentration, and fast-track potential. The Thomas Aptitude Assessment consists of 5 online tests of simple cognitive abilities, i.e. abilities that rely on processes such as thought, language, decision-making, learning, and memory. Each of the 5 tests has one type of task, and all the questions in a given test are of an equal level of difficulty. The individual score is then determined by the speed and accuracy of their responses. Scores are then compared to a sample population, the norm group, to determine whether the scores are lower, higher, or in line with the majority of the population. That overall trainability is made up of the 5 different tests. Reasoning describes quickly responding to business needs, dealing with new problems. Perceptual speed focuses on the perception of inaccuracies. How can we ignore irrelevant information? Accuracy is important when working with numerical data, where having confidence with quantitative concepts is key. Word meaning involves the comprehension of wide vocabulary, expression through words. And spatial visualization is important if the role requires an individual to create and manipulate mental images of objects. The GIA has been subject to rigorous scientific testing to determine its reliability and validity as a psychological assessment. Various research studies have shown that the GIA is a consistent and valid measure of trainability. The GIA has a large number of potential uses. It can allow you to understand how to develop an individual through training, measure mental capacity, ensure a person is sufficiently challenged, better predict success in a role, identify potential leaders who have the skills to drive change, and develop management skills.